WESH2 News Sunrise on CW18.
Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood Walking Tour is back at Rollins College.
How you can help celebrate what would have been the TV icon's 95th birthday and promote further education. Welcome back. Today would have been Mr. Rogers' 96th birthday. And right now at Rollins College, you can celebrate the icon by participating in Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood Walking Tour. And joining me now is Marie Hebeler from Rollins College. Marie, good morning. Thank you for joining us.
Good morning. I'm super excited to tell your viewers about our walking tour that we offer around this time every year to celebrate Mr. Rogers and his birthday and honor our most famous alumnus.
I can't wait to get involved. And take us to what you just said there. He's a famous alumni of Rollins,
right,
and just so important to the community here in Central Florida.
Yes, he was a music composition major at Rollins, and he was really a musician too before he became a TV icon.
And let's talk about that. I mean, I told you I grew up watching Mr. Rogers. It made such an impact on my life, and I know so many people really around the world. But this is such an important event that you guys have. It's his 96th birthday today. Would have been his 96th. And then also this walking tour, which you're the curator of.
Right. What we love is that we can celebrate a man that meant so much to really the world, to teaching kindness and empathy and community. And he continues to teach that on our campus today, and he influences our students. But we want to share with the world how he became Mr. Rogers and learned his purpose really on our campus of Rollins College.
So tell us about the walking tour. If folks would want to participate, what will they see when they're on the campus with you?
Well, it's fantastic. This year we have an audio tour, so you can bring your phone and QR code and listen to an audio tour, and I'm positive that people will learn something new that they've never known about Mr. Rogers before. And then they'll also learn how he really learned that life is for service on our campus. We have a plaque there that is one of the stops, and you'll go by and he carried a picture of that in his wallet for his entire life. The other things you'll see is a magnificent sculpture that we erected in 2021. Fantastic bronze 7.5-foot sculpture of Fred Rogers surrounded by children and all the puppets from the neighborhood on the back of the sculpture. It's just fantastic. But there's 5 stops. It's self-guided. You pick up a tour map at the Olin Library, or you can download one online going to rollins.edu, Mr. Rogers Walking Tour.
Marie, why is it so important to continue to honor his legacy and for, just the upcoming generations that may not know who he is?
It's extremely important because we need more kindness. We need his values. We need love of neighbor that is just so basic. And he was just such a gentleman. Other things you'll learn on the tour is how he really saved public television. And there's excerpts from his speech before Congress. There's music. It's just really, you'll learn so much, and you'll learn about why it's important to continue his legacy.
Absolutely. And this is all going on until April 5th. How do people get tickets? How do they get involved?
It's free. The walking tour is free. We are part of the Week of Kindness this year. That's why we're running the tour through April 6th, 10 to 4 daily. But we're also having a Mr. Rogers the Musician concert on April 5th, and that is ticketed. And you can find out more information on that, too.
Okay, excellent. Marie, is there anything before you leave, do you want to tell our viewers just maybe something special that you found in all your studies of Mr. Rogers that you want to share with everyone?
He never made a commercial endorsement in his life, and I just thought that was so special, that children were really his heart. And the other interesting thing was he received 40 honorary degrees, and if you ever get a chance to watch some of those speeches at commencements,
Yeah, take your breath away. No, that's okay. Make you tear up, right? Well, thank you so much for joining us today and filling us in about the walk. It really sounds amazing, the tour.
Oh, it is, and I know everyone will enjoy it.
Excellent. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.